When the road bends, I can see ahead. Every plant falls, every tear is shed. But in the dark, one truth I know: you're closer than the breath I hold. Through every test, I trust in Allah. Heart in my hand, I call on Allah. I don't know how, but I know you turn my breaking into breakthrough. Through every test, I trust in Allah. I return to Allah. When the doors close, when the nights run long, when the fear shakes every bit of calm, I whisper names that steady me. Ar-Rahman, you're guiding me. Through every test, I trust in Allah. Heart in my hand, I call on Allah. I don't know how, but I know you turn my breaking into breakthrough. Through every test, I trust in Allah. I return to Allah. What I lose, you replace with better. Every wound, you write it as a letter. Every tear, a seed beneath the rain. Grow in faith from my pain. Through every test, I trust in Allah.